Abedi, Wabakrunim, Akoredia Bemano, Diana Yeren and Henry, Wabakrunim, Diana Yiri and Sono, Wabakrunim, was Seatono, well, do I buy one in a year in one in the Kunin and buy one in the Kunin man buy no Babedu and offer gate 19.
When we say what through the corridors of gossip, as Kevin Taylor, Wabagana. Mr. Ansan Sadali. Mr. Ansan Sadali, Abi Pimo Ghana, I a FIFA. For the record, okay, let's check before me. Abi exposed Kevin Taylor. The Obey or Ghana ha, or buy a can baby or tear, one a born home by a wizard, and somewhere free for baby so dear. A near easy, me grab me home edume. Kevin Taylor, Ewa Ghana, a high Penyah Brock Media. Best was any demo. Over like a video, no other, my subscribe to some like a cable location for the latest updates. Now, but you are their mamma, I will comment, says Master Baswa. No, you don't force any of the ashes. Ain't the last time I was a Kevin Taylor upper life, I check upper life, I check 80 owns a Kevin Taylor so dear. Say a Kobe 4 or 5 days now, Corey and my life. Now, is a Waba Ghana because it has happened 2 times in this 2025. It's way also 3rd time. I came to the Abba Ghana low key and Obaby say. A National Security Council and about came to the home by. The name they told this, but there are many court warrants, arrest warrants on him. It may be because of the numerous arrest warrants and the numerous court warrants on him. And it be a Kevin Taylor ain't API one tonight. But I said that we say Kevin Taylor. I'm about Aban say we people Ghana so Swiss. Now, but Taye is a reason we people Ghana Hano. Young court na FIFA. Enko you and Semu.
Abedi, Wabakrunim, Akoredia Bemano, Diana Yeren and Henry, Wabakrunim, Diana Yiri and Sono, Wabakrunim, was Seatono, well, do I buy one in a year in one in the Kunin and buy one in the Kunin man buy no Babedu and offer gate 19. Gate 19. Okay, so Baumia is not from Baumia is a Mampusi person. So when you say he's not from Boko and has no ties with Boko, okay, so let me understand. How is Baumia? Because he's a Mampusi and the fight is between though Baumia doesn't come from Boko proper. By any new Mampusi for versus Kusasi for Neko. It ended for the Ombe baby the Neura. I don't pay baby Neurai. I'm find a solution. Why? When you been free, Dr. Mama Baumia, on Penyah and sound call it for calm. Mama Yarga, won't call it for calm. Our brothers, we cannot continue. Keep it down. Let's find solutions. Baby, Eti Bolabed no Kuma. I already a number. Na dear Yana Ara, who say. Enipa wo di judge for atem. Enipa wo di sitting presidents atem. Enipa wo twa mada pakuru ni. Nipa kankan brita. Futa. Na obedru kuro ni mu a. Ni ade na fa. VIP presidents, former president, any diplomats ever. When a warrant is on that idiot, and we say we are resetting, so resetting, a binding nibu, a court warrant, court warrant that branches. Now we are branching the bar, national security for Afano. They are enough for baby of presidents, former president, VVIP, gate 19. Yeah, man, V8 me and son. Na national security for control the Pakan Kaisi. Your mama memu. The Pakan Kaisi wait. Well, obey there. Yes, Justice Cheba for at the warrant to so in 2020. Can you arrest warrant? Court will issue arrest warrant. the court ne ka nyina say so this Justice Chebafo and odidi Justice Chebafo atem na Justice Chebafo ete NCA case so mobeka ya in 2020 Akufo-Addo pen so and the case court na NCA officials bi yes o mo discuss NCA na Justice Chebafo na preside over the matter and a branch his usual fashion okodidi Justice Chebafo atem say owo videos ewo audios ewo here kire say Justice Chebafo aye compromise ave yen konko tie video any audios ukura no so wo na Justice Chebafo aye compromise. And whenever you scandalize the court, the court has been given an inherent power to protect itself. By operation of law, by the convention of the court, whenever you scandalize, my court need look a certain way in the eyes of the people. The courts have inherent power. Contempt and mobeka ya muntie tire case no na ye di eye case afam se Supreme Court ne election petition ana muntie tire akoga ne Mugabe bomko di Supreme Court na tem kasi e be repi ma e be repi judge no e be say we yasa what bu court no animtia and by operation of law ya ma court ni to me say obefro for contempt na ofro na se wa ma the court has been given the power to issue an arrest warrant. Now arrest warrant no. Issue arrest warrant. You issue arrest warrant and say the police should arrest you because the court has subpoenaed you. Yakasa court has subpoenaed when the mraka chose a bra. Now if you will not come, then the police must arrest you and bring you to the court. Never chire dientia any kwase court in the punish. So by operation of law, arrest warrant when it's issued, it is not for you to go to jail because arrest warrant is issued. Have grounds are branches who are challenging. More fire. And young Kobo video, sa video na no shot at white. What did Justice Chebafo atem? Say over videos. Say Justice Chebafo. While you compromise, it's a new free show. Obe catcher that's and say Justice Chebafo a compromise. And yet, a coabis what the judgment ba. Now I'm calling said your war penwa. What book court to name here? If Justice Chebafo say bra. Wama. Then you enter the area Justice Chebafo. Echo issue a arrest warrant to us. More fire. Now you ready arrest warrant now. Also seeking to set us aside. More fire. Now go be the arrest warrant to us. And you go Supreme Court never setting aside. What do you more? Warrant is in such a way that the moment you are arrested and you are brought before the court, the warrant is discharged. It is also one year share. Go to the court, and the warrant will have no effect again. What do you more? Now we have to fund. After the judges in the bedroom, Muntie Asamokai Muntie.
I have tapes, audio. I will release them if the right thing is not done. Justice Chebafo has been compromised by this government, and the quicker the Chief Justice takes him off this case, the better for our judicial system, and also better for the Chief Justice himself. This is not a warning, but a serious caution. I've said I have tapes, audio. I will release them if the right thing is not done. Justice Chebafo has been compromised by this government, and the quicker the Chief Justice takes him off this case, the better for our judicial system, and also better for the Chief Justice himself.
Eti abranche Jani General Obi abranche time Justice Chebafo eti NCA case no and was say our tapes our audios kire say Justice Chebafo ye compromise why na Justice Chebafo say brananim for audio for tapes krono bra ne be kire ye nche ni kwase ye punish you remember share or no the police in the grounds of a application, very wap guy. Not even in the mood. You better read the points now, make it now. Now, you heard one by one. You heard your court in a court. It also was judge or tickets, so audio, tapes. And Chairman for say he's been compromised. What's a bra? For audio tapes in the bra. Wow, now, say you may issue arrest warrant against you. Now, young Kosha arrest warrant in Justice Cheba for issued in 2020. If you feel civil rights or fundamental human right has been abused, there are processes that you go through. Constitutional and Article 33. It says that when you feel your fundamental human rights have been abused, you have to go to High Court and make sure you seek for a redress. It will head the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court judges in the year. If the Swagay said a fundamental human right, the arrest warrant was not issued in accordance with the law. Where is he supposed to seek a redress? Is it not a High Court? Supreme Court will there are so many cases. And this services the Attorney General. So many cases are there. Which says that you cannot wrap the enforcement of your fundamental human right and make it more like a public spirited issue. Public interest in a case. Now coincidentally, Otina Honwa, Emma Jomama appointed 7 judges. Now quickly, what the other so set aside. I was setting the aside. Have a young boy there, Daddy. Justice Cheba for issue arrest warrant. You ready arrest warrant no? Na you ready the wording of the arrest warrant. Ni yan say arrest warrant is in such a way say the court any person work can say wo ya frasa bra na wo madia police monche no enfamra. As it stands now, the arrest warrant is still effective. It ya hwa kwan ya be fa so a national security for be bo akwa we hu bai. No mo na ko Supreme Court to say omo kwa ma yi sa arrest warrant for arrested. If it's a national security, police, by the time a guy will be free to our hotel, many occasions may be a war. Self ye be a your mama, we in the service. No, see a fan channel. Former Vice President Fio, I want to be boy Yakotra, and the heavy security. What kind of foolishness? Maybe I can tell at any. Maybe I'm a president, I want to ask second. It's more can tell abuse, or to maybe a former president of Mama, we in the service. No, see a fan channel. And the heavy national security that your mama names a BB channel. Now, what's the idea we was social? Na yɛhwɛ kwan yɛ bɛfa so a sɛ arrest warrant yɛ still effective a akwa wɔ ɛbɛfiri ne fie hɔ akɔpie ɛyɛ court wɔ Supreme Court wɔ on the 22nd a yɛn arrest no if sɛ ofiri saa fie hɔ ɛkɔ court wɔ even si yɛ arrest yɛ the arrest warrant to so a yɛ don't to no fly a list so tienie so the very moment our Orlando airport wɔ immigration is supposed to alert the police. National security is to na yɛhwɛ kwan on befa so de na copy Supreme Court ɛwɔ abra. That means all of you are in contempt of the court. Mu court nti na mo to di nkwasasɛm sɛ abrantie wi ɔyɛ hwanya kwasiase yɛ hwanya bola bed we yɛ hwanya obi eti already arrest one baby otini baby omrika mintie la kwatene and the heavy national security protection. National security na so watch Kevin Taylor because arrest warranted and so no. Police na say check Kevin Taylor because arrest warranted and so no. Sa police ni na e born ho bai. Where state? Where a state? Ma build this state. Where state? Just look at Ave Kevin Taylor said yeah, issue arrest warrant. Watena say more than a year 5 years. One pair arrest warrant no one semanka. They say what the fake doctor ne buy I bogu and why yes and one kasa per appointment. He must arrest warrant and that's why it me man appointment. TS wo Supreme Court echo offset echo set aside. Na yebusa arrest warrant no e ye de ba dia. Now, Yebusa Justice Cheba Bafuboni. Enrita Mensabunsu. Ajebuasi Edu. Justice Lovelace Johnson. Justice Akabuafo. Justice George Kumsing. Justice Amadou Tanku. Justice Yoni Kolendi. Justice Eye Yao Ejewuang. Justice Ejefrim Pong. Justice Dakwa Sare. Justice Jamefe. Justice Jamefe de Menkokura Brim no. Obaye obechere yade under constitutional law. Obaye no a one-time guest lecturer. Oshebenim was you are such an intelligent young man. Na me see me nyina mbesa me yes no. Justice Jamefe, we are watching the courts. Exactly. We are watching the courts. See, I set ye the bench warrant at 2 obi so a eye court no mo be protect mo ho anamba makwa makwasia we ye wadidi court no atem sa afre justice se mass omo ya hyawo na yankonko hwe video asa akwa we edidi ajaje for matem na enye mo nwanwa se akwa we ni obi anya issue okrum ha eso ope bibi about sex the body panel. Wait, there's a video. Oh yes, Supreme Court Justice a man. Woman, you know, woman, na obisa question me. Bakubi, or Chempana, oh my cat here, Bakubi, or Koha, Ekoyesi. Just say, anytime my Kwawani will be many issue be and you be near you be ira, obi near you be kunu, and you be near you be kuna, obi a trum, and you be near you be truma, obi quatisha, obi a gay. Just foolish is such a character. Kwasiase, and an AID state security protect Kwasiase. That's the former way.
The women judges at the Supreme Court. These are all the women almost Supreme Court, so I'm going to keep this on the screen. When I put
radio obe scandalize a ma wo mo Supreme Court obe gu omani mu ase so omo ya shabofo etimede all the women at the Supreme Court and I can bet you there no person who can nyina ne say Chief Justice Araba Tokonu o ya shawoni tie de kan yi tie de kan yi e do ashada ne man ni nyina agu ho na say judges no and the court no say mo protect mo ho na because of politics enti mo be mo obi akwan so betimi adidi mo atema ya twen so mo be floodgate mo be floodgate na go fo be wram bia be fam Sabanti obetimi agumani mu asese de ogu na in the name of politics you the court will not protect yourself. We are watching ave yintie do beka
the women at the Supreme Court no obia dingun into obia entie wa ade we concern no no. Be honest with yourself, come out and let the people know. Resign before it gets murky.
We know. Pause. Danny, pause. Follow me. Debia will be says baby. That kind of what Jimiana. I dear Benny. Aqua we are mufridi nechi. So when you will be girl, we say, what do you do, baby? Just sheba for or the can I say, just sheba for on any girlfriend. Make a sense of Aqualana, just sheba for it to an above. And so just sheba for on any girlfriend. And this is the character we are protecting with our state money. Wait. Akwawi. Ave muntie do obey man, mo do obey Supreme Court man.
Saying, say it would be better for all of us to protect our integrity. Which Supreme Court judge or your bar, which one of you goes to sleep at McCarthy Hill? Which one of you Supreme Court judges you say you are married?
Look at that. You say you are married, goes to sleep at McCarthy. What body dream no come? Baby anyhow.
The place you go to sleep, the gentleman now Okodanifino, that gentleman was going through a divorce, and you, the judge, we are one of the female Supreme Court judges. You actually got that gentleman a lawyer.
It's way possible. So we Supreme Court judge be a warrior. Obi, na ni kunu sha de we ya. Onye unsure. Say emudia he say ye na yire, ananya na yire. So this is the way this guy scandalizes even women at the Supreme Court. Exactly. Very dangerous precedent. Say Supreme Court judge be. It is a me na me yire te wo. Na me tie say akwa we ka sanse mu no. Na me nim Supreme Court judge kura. Me yire de me no. E de na me dwene. And this is the kind of person yedi ye bon hobai. State ni bon hobai. Afi ye ntie do obeye.
You, the Supreme Court judge, we your bar, sir, nipa 5 you are about 15 years older than this gentleman. You are about 15 years old. You are older. You are 15 years older than this gentleman. Question 4, and this is a specific question. There is a place near the Swiss school near Ekufuado's place. You, this woman, have you been sharing bed in that neighborhood with a member of parliament? Listen, there is a specific place near the Swiss school. Now, let me go more deeper. The gentleman this person you are seeing, the person this judge you are seeing in Ghana is a businessman. He's rich, he's less educated. You, this woman judge, you go to this man's house. And the funny thing is, you leave the house 5 a.m. every morning. This is the character. The Supreme Court for so mama kwama we did your matema. Justice Bafuboni. So if there's the character, mo pesa mo protecting against the court. Justice Jamefe, my role model. I told you more. I know you be any maker. Na yankon koshe govi na samo de court no yankon ni yankoshe the grounds on which he's looking for a defense say yan set aside yanko the grounds also they set aside okobusana ebako one of the grounds is that then yan ready ne grounds no one of the grounds is that he was not given a hearing, so it breaches the principle of odi aterim pattern. Okay, so when we say odi aterim pattern, what it means is that when it comes to the principle of natural justice, odi aterim pattern and normal judas in kasaswa. So odi aterim pattern says that whenever you accuse a person, the person have a right to obey appear to be heard. And I say, you can't no more judas in kasaswa. It means you cannot be a judge in your own court. But by operation of the law, even a directive from the CG, the Chief Justice, when he said back contempt, the contempt is in such a way that the moment a issue is you are coming to prove why you should not be punished. So the principle of odi aterim pattern and normal judex does not apply. In first place, so when you dump and dafter, odi aterim pattern no, your natural justice law, or say, yama kwani yentio. Arrest warrant yes you for bed. Arrest warrant yes you for amada. Na family bed. Ni entio. Ti se wunyi mi ya. O si ya entio ni issue arrest warrant. Na ye se bra ni entio nso a. O si there bi. Wama. Na ne wo ba idea. What is the essence of issuance of arrest warrant? Because arrest warrant no ye be issue a it means ye se bra court na so wo ma. O so si there bi ye ntie wa no asem. Wait. I didn't wait. Lawyer ni na churo we akoto court. Wait. We arrest warrant. The Republic versus a year. You jembafu boni. Okay, expert. The way arrest warrant. Where your warrants near no, may ready one no Kevin no, Amatilla and the court no. Yan share no. Now you ready grounds for a year setting aside. Wait. You've been reading the point by point. We make some notes to be about the points I was reading. You better call point 7. You better call point 15. Point 11. You read and educate your branch. And then have a large. So case Kevin Taylor they are to court. I say in the matter of the Republic versus a High Court, Commercial Division, respondent ex parte Kevin Echo Taylor, applicant. So on the court say to us, I Kevin Echo Taylor of the United States of America do hereby make an oath and say that he is even lying on oath, which is perjury. When you lie on oath, it's perjury, and we will show you where he lied on oath. Ojina say
and that was signed yes akrate. So Penyah is supposed to sign before we file the application. When him said that all case or fly or sign we no America or ye show that then the judge for nothing. I be young I say I a call Beduki Taylor. I am a deponent hearing an applicant in the above a year at the institute for I therefore depose blah blah blah. Then if I'm going next page, you ready point by point. Let me educate this idiot. Nya grounds for okay, so you have grounds for application. Yanko point by the next page which shows point 2, 3, 4, 5 in the other. Yanko, now you read it. Kokase mientia ya mami hearing. It could do baby. I say my name is Kevin Taylor, but the arrest warrant was for Kelvin Taylor, which is not my name. But the Nkrofo say, Ayaminti, Misusu say Ayamia, Etienne Sadia, Monsati aside. Meanwhile, time I issue arrest warrant TV, there is a video of the D Justice Chamber for what? Danny, enlarging near reading more. Near reading point 7. And Danny, well, 22nd. Bakovi, I say for quite some time, friends and relatives in Ghana have informed me that the High Court of the Republic of Ghana can tell us who him way. I'ma tell us one thing. Name on friends and family, and I inform me say has I say the High Court of the Republic of Ghana has issued a warrant for my arrest, but none of such relatives and friends have ever made available to me a copy of the High Court's order, despite several requests. Indeed, friends and relatives in Ghana have drawn my attention to several social media discussions of the said warrant for my arrest, but none was able to provide a copy for me for my attention. Ofui. Daniel Fanenko, near video, tell me you issue arrest warrant in New Year. Or Baba the Justice Chamber for what? So if you were unaware of the warrant, tell me now the Justice Chamber for what? Such an unintelligent idiot. Danny, was it point 7 and 8? Was it when Nimhori, Tienio, when Nimhori, on Tay, now Fen and enough for drawn attention, say, why you're in Yadi? Ave Yabusa, Muntia video, Munti.
You Justice Chamber, were you in this country? Were you in this country when an imbecile like Kennedy Japan? Were you in this country when an imbecile like Kennedy Japan was going around insulting all judges in Ghana? Were you in this country?
Did you
go after Kennedy Japan? You didn't, right? Because he's one of you. Today I look in your face and I tell you the truth, and you want to explode. Kennedy 1962 Japan insulted the
okay, so hold on. Also, you're so daft that even your trauma, Kennedy Japan 1962 year birthday, your trauma honor, all really grown 1962 birthday, Kennedy Japan 1962. You are such a daft ass motherfucker. This fool, where you are going? Kennedy Japan 1962. Only come on anyway. Who you script free anymore? Pasiani abuan kwano beka. Abe muntie no beka change the chamber for.
In Ghana, you did not come out to issue a warrant for him because Kennedy is better than me or is better than the other Ghanaian on the streets. You have not lived up to expectations, and you don't even deserve to be where you are today. Justice Chamber, you the same judge. And if my producer is ready, please, if you have, I'm gonna make you show some pictures. You know, the Herald did that story. Ghana Web actually did that story. The Supreme Court actually did something.
It's Yachramano, Danny. Any power point 7 and 8 was who any more it is Santa Manaka Sanedanaka. At the end, and I will cast I issue a warrant against you. Were you such an unintelligent human being? It is Supreme Court, yes. Madaroma yehwe o say 0.7 and 8 also on do anim hwe say ya issue arrest warrant eti video kire say arrest warrant no video as far back as 2020 ya issue we no babedi di justice chamber for now then yanko read point 11 and 12 na yehwe ade Gobi ya mase be dia gro be say team no ye share team no lawyers ka ho lawyers ka ho intelligent people we sit down and we analyze video analysis ka ho that is how come we timi analyze the see wo ya be ko na nyina now you ready a year 10 also given the frequency of the reference to the order and discussion I have heard about on social media. I engaged the services of my present solicitor sometime in April this year 2025, who after about a month, that is sometime at the end of the May, of search, sent me a copy of the order which is exhibited here to and marked A. It's Kevin Taylor say, meanwhile, who stated where you know what the case chrono a share so it's now with him hore ni enkoje mrel 2 year na anya case they share so in reference to such a daft ass. My lawyer explained the difficulty in obtaining a copy of the court order because although I instructed him to find the order, if any, I did not know which court issued it. Unim court to create issue here. Meanwhile, better how about Justice Cheba for the and after the warrant. It's Justice Cheba for now. What you call to be. It's a Justice Cheba for no the case what a year NC case show. And him court what is so. And a warrant, you know, contempt of court is in such a way that when it is issued, you will come before the same court and the same judge. It will say we did not know which court issued it. Such a daft, dump way statement. Point 12. The order says that it is issued for the arrest of a certain Kelvin Taylor, highlighted Kelvin, which is not my name, but given its close resemblance with my name and the information I have received from my friends and relatives in Ghana, the order is believed to refer to me because all the media discussions I have heard on the subject all point to me as the subject of the order. When there is a video you saying that you've issued an arrest warrant to me, or say you wouldn't say Kelvin Taylor not issue. We yeah, court no. Yeah, you read point 16. Gobi, you read point 16. When was what they cassette? Now in any case, arrest warrant there. Meanwhile, you get arrested while you don't go do court in anymore. Arrest warrant and discharge. It is of no effect. So you don't take this to a Supreme Court. So what's your videos and audios? Our Justice Chamber for is compromised. Go to court and prove the video and the audio. Now arrest warrant and no. Was may go Supreme Court. Ako set aside the arrest warrant. Now enforcement of the fundamental human right of a person. Supreme Court never enforce it. There are so many cases which says the Constitution is very clear. When you think your fundamental human right is abused, go to High Court. After you share court, point 16. In any event, the order for my arrest was made in breach of my right to be heard. So you can say right to be heard. That is the principle of ordi alteram pattern. That means you found you. But what is the purpose of the warrant? Warrant is a brand you. Also see a issue warrant in breach of your right. Right by your to be heard. Now court on say what's a brand you? So also audios, a video. Now court on say browser and we issue arrest warrant. Say also say in breach of my right to be heard. Are you daft? Are you dumb? Wait. Before any order is made against me and also contrary to law, because the order for my arrest was made without first giving me a hearing. But in any case, court. What is the need for arrest warrant? The only reason I issue arrest warrant is that when we need you to come and speak, and you say you won't speak, that is when we issue arrest warrant. What's it there be arrest warrant? And the other we contempt of court. What is the need of arrest warrant if you are in court to be heard? And this is the character. One of the say, me video be a worker say, he was not within the jurisdiction of Ghana, and for that matter, and again he was not a party to the case. Now muntia 3 case, you know. Ni edi muntia 3 for asem. Ni edi omasem. Na yes election petition wasem nieka. And contempt, you know. You are not supposed to be a party to a case before the court can hold you contempt. So ye di case be. Now with the court no atem. O scandalize the court no. Emma court nanimu ebetia. E wo manfo nanima. Whether o can case no, on can case no. Court no can invite you for contempt. Such a daft guy says, I am not a party to. On that grounds, Supreme Court should set aside the contempt. I say I was not within the jurisdiction. Now, when it comes to the jurisdiction of our court, because the jurisdiction, and your court in international. When it comes to the jurisdiction, there are two one initiatory jurisdiction and terminatory jurisdiction. If you were now wouldn't need the jurisdiction of the court, but at the crowd the impact of it is felt. It is will be the bomb. Echo ship plane mu UK. Na flight ni flyer na do Ghana. The airspace of Ghana. Na sa bomb ne blasting. Say ye bibi wa ha. Although crime ne ya anya no Ghana ha. Ye no UK. But the terminatory, baby a case in this year, Ghana, and the court can have jurisdiction over the case. Daft ass. Again, you don't learn. It was say, I was not within the jurisdiction. America now, where did we feel the impact? Was it not in Ghana?
Yes.
So that is the terminatory jurisdiction of the court. Listen, we are watching the courts. Again, the Attorney General, when him see the contempt as Attorney General file defense. Now the courts are saying that they will sit on that matter. And 22nd, Anna, book case, you know. Yeah, by Friday, Attorney General the response. Attorney General watching you. Yeah, say the way you should see you investigate you go investigate yeah, rest what the baba. Again, Danny, Yen Shadie. Attorney General, the response in Beba. But the ancient videos are Aquawi. As I did Justice Cheba for them just recently. Danny, oh yes, we'll file yao. But said the Justice Cheba for them. Not Justice Cheba for one and go. Ebi a won a Justice Cheba for. Have a Yenje Doka, Yenje Dakoigai.
Oh, this man, Judge Cheba for. Judge Cheba for way and na Paul Admochi Ekana Sam say. Or the warrant at me so refugee Cheba for I showed his picture on any girlfriend. I have some other just obia case ban anymore or bibi about a dear effort panel. Justice Cheba for the girlfriend. Supreme Court judges be or Kotrim Panawaha. Paul Adumochi did it room. Kadachi Kotisha. Adubuahe. Ye do a year one passion. Just a case be a dark away Nimubiano. Or what? You know why? He's weaponized sex. And he knows the people are so foolish. The moment Obeke dear once the people are interested. It is Justice Cheba for and a girlfriend. Meanwhile, so obey you know Justice Cheba for back. See the resemblance. Onimno. Oh, who sa Kolana and Papa de Atuano? Justice Cheba for and a girlfriend. And one I will forbid a woody passing. And when nobody state security about who buy, have a yenti just in jail. When the castle the warrant to me, so I didn't try. Or the case is so, and my day, my catcher say his posture should be just. Also on TV that the Niger Jim Huche said obey ready law. Paul, Nire Jano, Ubiako didn't hear my Jan. Yes, yeah. Pa, Neire Jan, Obiako Dinere, Amiajano. So, Ghanaians, are you not tired of this foolishness? Say, Aquawe no Bianya, someone, as you compare dear who be Bibeka.
akwa we they say nya Paul adumochi na etumu ntumu bi na mo Paul yire no so obi akodi no ama ne yira se agya no we oni hweka we o we na Ghana for aso no so obia o die case tia obia o start adwuma obia o die case tia no why no wakanas kwaku basashi ade why no wakanas mkrum ha a wanya die hu asem amfa betare. And there's the character you people entertain. Way more, way. I dig Bolabel can when I'm entertaining now. When I'm entertaining now. Abe yentino.
Rest. So I did a whole show letting Ghanaians know that yes, he's a judge, he has the right to sit on a case, but it does not mean that he's God. So sitting on a case does not make Judge Cheba for some superhuman who cannot be at the end of the day questioned about his character.
Okay, so when did the judge for no? When did the monyon quantum to this magnitude? Now must set aside that. And he has said, "Yadi amfeya ho. Mo be a floodgate no and many bedu. Media, I will not in any shape or form scandalize the court, disrespect the court. But under your leadership, Justice Bafuboni, under your leadership, if you will not protect the court and you will give this idiot and imbecile the opportunity, then yes, I hear other videos and what did the judge for them? Na yen shade says mbeka say mo set aside a warrant when actual fact so was a warrant no and yet issued properly. The High Court is the place to go per the Constitution. You read Article 33. Constitution in Article 33. Gobi, you read it. Yenti do you cover a judge for yenti.
Were taken as low as 2,000 Ghana to decide the destiny of a fellow man. And this some way enter you near Okrumha and a judge for Jim Ponching to decide the destiny of a fellow man in court. What shows to say these judges were not doing worse during that time where power was for a few people. What shows is that these people were not involved in any kind of
so was a judge for Mojim Ponche, Mojim Koko, Mojim Yenwai. So 22nd, you shed the Supreme Court Becca. Now go you read the Article 33. Was where a person alleges that a provision of this Constitution on the fundamental human rights and freedoms has been or is being or is likely to be contravened in relation to him. Chapter 5 of the Constitution has guaranteed the fundamental human rights of the people. Now nobody has the right to violate. So if Kevin Taylor thinks, Ama Taylor thinks, Bolabed thinks that by the issuance of the arrest warrant, his fundamental human rights has been breached, Article 33 of the Constitution says that where a person alleges that a provision of this Constitution on the fundamental human rights and freedom has been see a breachy, say a gusu breachy, say a bikrana is likely to be breached in relation to him. Say nye public a year can say interest na say a wood ya after court no say then without prejudice to any other action that is lawfully available, the person may apply to the High Court for redress. It is a Kevin Taylor say you issue a arrest warrant which is detrimental, which breaches the fundamental human right. Article 33 1 coin. 22nd Supreme Court, please, we are watching. Judges, please, we are watching. Justice Jamefe, my role model. Justice Yoni Kolendu, very learned judge. Justice Ayabafu Boni. If you people will not protect the courts in the name of politics, may the good Lord that blesses our nation continue to bless you people and bless us all. We did Okatakyie Afrifa. We shall meet next time. Bye-bye.
So this is why Kevin Taylor is in this country, Ghana. There's a court case, a goodness. Now, Mahama appointed 7 new chief justice. I said na akoye NDC for ejere ke ntira abasa bia the court case na gu no so nyina no o mbetwetwa mu ama no say o mbetwetwa the case nya say be betuma fa no ho adi na oba Ghana ha no betumi apie na fugitive na ya declare as fugitive no e be free no so na betumi ananti freely na yen enchi no ento so when in some people abi the go from what is your take on this particular issue? Ubet ma kyerɛ wa adwene ama me e comment section. Ayi Penyah Media.